Craftsie and welcome back to my channel. So throughout December I was reading books again. I haven't read in the longest time and it was so refreshing to just pick up an actual physical book and read it. Now I got this book as a gift and I really recommend this for someone who's gone through like a biggest change or is gonna expect change. Now, this is not sponsored or affiliate, but this is a good book to read. For this book, I used this as my bookmark. Now, you've probably seen similar types of bookmarks. This is called a Shepherd's Hook bookmark. You know, you can get like a character one, you can get like a mermaid one. I'll show you the ones that I have as well. And you can literally put anything on it. So I took inspiration from this one that I got as a gift as well a long time ago. But anyways, let's jump into the video. We're going to use this plain rose shepherd's hook for this video with some stainless steel chain. So beautiful. We have a blue tassel, some jump rings and charms. And then here's some beads that I felt was like a very nice ocean theme. Oh, I love the shell. Like, this is like the most beautiful shell. It makes me so excited. Okay, and my nails. Obviously, I have to show you my nails. Now, we're going to use the tweezer, the jump ring opener, and as always, my nifty flat nose pliers and round nose pliers. Okay, so now I'm just arranging like what I want to put where, like where the charms are gonna go, what type of beads are gonna go where, just so that I can sort out like the arrangement that I want for this one. And you're gonna see it's gonna change during, like, you know, through the course of this. Because as you can see, the eye pins are actually very small compared to the beads I want to put on there. So I'm just going to start off and then we're going to close it with the pliers. Okay, one done. Now I'm going to do the rest. And yes, I'm obviously using the jump ring opener for opening the jump rings. I must say it's quite a nice jump ring opener. And here we go with the next ones. Add the chain. Now the jump rings was actually too big to go in between the chain loops, so I'm actually just putting it on, and then as you can see it can slip through. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it the way I want it and then put another jump ring close to the loop so that it stays in one, like it stays secure, it doesn't move around again. So like you can see, it's not gonna move again. See, it's not gonna move again. So now it's tight. And now we're just adding the rest of the charms and beads to make it look beautiful. like in different shapes, different like, you know, like different